Hi, have you imagined system capable of autonomously driving cars, running errands, performing surgical operations, carrying out agricultural activities, handling logistics, handling different aspects of human endeavors and how it can be achieved? In this video, I will simplify artificial intelligence, covering its applications, feeds, types, categories, defining key terms that makes it to be likely to have human cognitive abilities, benefits, risk, and share my opinions about artificial intelligence. Let's dive in. At the heart of every endeavor in computing and mathematics lies the pursuit of creativity and innovation, driven by the intention to enhance human lives in various ways. This motivation comes from the fact that things always change and people's needs keep expanding. For example, embarking on a journey typically requires us to stay and navigate towards our destiny regardless of our physical condition. However, AI powered cars can autonomously drive to the same destination. Unlike humans, AI systems do not experience fatigue or exertion while performing tasks. To keep things straightforward, I will skip the history of AI. While various articles and publications may offer different perspectives, notable figures commonly associated with the conception of AI include Alan Matheson Turing and John McCarthy. What is artificial intelligence? Computer systems built with the ability to carry out complex tasks that traditionally could only be initiated and completed by humans, such as learning, thinking, perceiving, making decisions, or solving problems, are referred to as artificial intelligence. What that means in simple terms is that any system that is designed with the ability to perform or to initiate tasks and perform operations on those tasks to execute them to give an expected output or outcome, they are referred to as artificial intelligence systems. So it means that they are being trained or probably they are being designed to carry out tasks that ordinarily humans are expected to perform. Definition of some of the cognitive abilities of AI that makes it to be likened to the cognitive abilities of humans. General learning, the ability of machines to learn from data, recognize patterns, and make decisions independently without needing specific instructions. Reasoning, the capacity of artificial systems to process data, decide, and resolve issues using rational rules and principles. Problem solving, the ability to use set of rules, guidelines, and thinking methods to handle difficult tasks or problems. Perception, the ability to interpret and understand information from an environment using sensors, cameras, or other input devices. Language, the ability to understand, create, and work with, with speech or written language. These are the definition of AI's cognitive abilities that makes it to be likened to human cognitive abilities because humans can reason, they can actually maybe think about a situation and then process the information that is available at that moment to be able to make a decision. They can solve a problem. Humans can actually speak, they can hear other people speak and then respond. Human can actually learn from their environment, learn from data. So systems, AI systems are designed to actually do the same thing. An AI system can identify, interpret, and understand a large set of data to be able to draw conclusion or give a particular presentation on a matter. Categories of AI. In some research or publication, there could be mention of two categories or three, and some persons are like there is weak and strong AI. Then some are saying there is weak, strong, and super intelligent AI. Let's look at them. Weak AI, which is also referred to as narrow AI. AI systems that are designed or constrained to perform specific tasks. So it can only carry out a specific task. So if it is meant to do give an output in text format, it can only give an output in text format. If the AI system is designed to just give a speech, it can only give a speech. And so for every task they are defined to do, either one or two, is just limited to that particular task that it is designed to carry out. There is strong AI, which is also referred to as artificial generative intelligence, AGI. These are AI systems that perform tasks with similar human cognitive abilities, like we mentioned, such as learning, reasoning, perception, understanding, and problem solving techniques, which is still under development. The next one is super intelligent AI. So this represents a more advanced form of AI that researchers are currently developing. So it's like saying it would entail understanding and remembering emotions, beliefs, needs, and depending on those making decisions. Types of AI. Below is an overview of each type of AI as outlined by Professor Aaron Hensey from the University of Michigan. First is purely reactive. These are AI systems that do not keep track of previous experiences to perform operation on them in the future. So it's just carry out a particular operations and then there is no record. It does not keep track of whatever that was done for it to be able to reference it in future to make decisions. Limited memory. These are AI systems that can collect previous experiences and keep track of new experiences progressively. So what this means is that compared to purely reactive, it can actually um, keep track of whatever experiences and then subsequently it can actually perform operations and make decisions based on those previous experience in the future. Theory of mind. These AI systems could understand emotions and feelings, but they're actually under development. Then there is self-aware. These are AI systems that are designed to have to possess consciousness. They can learn independently. We there are systems that are trained, but these ones can learn independently and form their own belief systems. Subset fields or technologies in AI. Number one, machine learning. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that can adapt to many types of inputs, including large sets of past data, made up data, or input from various sources. Deep learning, which sometimes is being referred to as a subset of machine learning, um, it employs complex neural networks with multiple layers. In it's used in various applications like recognizing images and controlling voice commands in devices, and it excels at learning from huge data sets. Computer vision. These are AI systems that enable the analysis, interpretation, and extraction of information from images and videos. It can be used for facial recognition, optical character recognition, object detection, autonomous vehicles like self-driving cars. And then I have a couple of articles on how I was able to use Google Cloud Vision to scan images, to scan logos, to scan locations, and all of that. So probably you could check the link in the description below to look up on those articles of how I applied Google Cloud Vision. Now, there is speech recognition. These are AI systems capable of comprehending human speech, recognizing words, and discerning semantic intent. Robotics. Robots powered by AI systems can do complicated jobs in agriculture, logistics, healthcare, manufacturing, and exploration. They can work alongside humans, learn from their experience, and adapt to new environments. Natural language processing, NLP. AI systems that can identify, analyze, and understand human language utilizes deep learning algorithms to analyze, comprehend, and extract significance from textual information. So these are AI systems that can identify data and then it can, I think, just draw conclusion or just interpret the data and then give meaning to what it was able to gather from the data or from the information. Generative AI, the branch of AI system that can generate text, images, audio, and videos from text instructions, which is also referred to as prompts. You can also check out my YouTube channel on how I demonstrate ChatGPT and other generative AI tools. Expert system, the branch of AI system that solve problems and answer questions within a specific area of expertise using rule-based methods. Artificial intelligence application, the current development of AI are applicable in different ways. There is self-driving cars, example Waymo, Tesla Autopilot, Cruise, Uber ATG, Argo AI. There are generative AI tools such as ChatGPT, Gemini, Microsoft Copilot, Meta AI. It's applicable in smart homes where you could see security doors, where rooms can respond to weather if there is probably a change in the room temperature. There are AI systems that can actually raise an alert, and then you could actually process information from any point of the room, and then it can actually attend to a visitor without anyone being around. So these are applications of AI systems in homes. They are referred to as smart homes. There is Internet of Things, also referred to as IoT. It's applicable in agriculture where robots and systems are being deployed to carry out agricultural activities. And then it's applicable in finance, education, anomaly detections. AI systems can be used to detect an unexpected behavior from a data set. And then it's applicable in health, customer service, personal AI assistance, in research, in wearable technology, Google Maps, games, programming, and so many other areas where AI is applicable. What are the advantages of AI? It's AI can speed execution regardless of the complexity of task. So what that means is compared to human ability where The more the task, the more time it will take. And the more complex it is, the more days it could span into hours, days, weeks, and even months. But with AI systems, they can actually perform this task with speed. It can also perform risky operation effectively and efficiently. There are risky environments where people work and they are being exposed to different kind of harm. The robots can be trained and developed to actually carry out those kind of operations. It reduces human errors, mistakes that can be made by humans. AI system can handle repetitive tasks without getting fatigued. So there are, let's say, for example, in a factory, they are trying to load a couple of vehicles with the product, and then you could see humans having to carry these loads and all of that, and then they get tired. And then imagine we have 100 vehicles or 100 trucks that needs to be loaded with products. So there are robot systems that can be developed, that can be trained and developed to carry out this repetitive task that is being performed by humans. AI systems have created more jobs, yeah, such as machine learning, software engineer, robotics engineer, and data engineer. Limitations of AI. Development and implementation is resource intensive and costly. Like a couple of companies that are not able to afford the resources that it takes to have an independent AI system. It makes some jobs redundant. Bias and discrimination can arise in AI models when they are trained on data reflecting biased human decisions, resulting in output that exhibits bias or discrimination against specific demographic groups. I mean, when you are dealing with data sets, you are trying to train a data set, so you could actually label whatever data you have, probably in an Excel sheet. You could just decide to say, okay, from this data I gathered, I can say, for example, if I see a word, I can say this word is negative. If I see another word, I can say it is positive. So, how would you know that this labeling is not based on my own choice, and then it's not limited to my own feeling about the each situation? So sometimes there could be inaccuracy in data that are being displayed by these systems because of the bias that can happen. It could also violate laws or regulations across several regions. Conclusion. The primary goal of AI development is to create self-learning systems capable of interpreting data and addressing unique challenges in ways that can mirror human cognitive abilities. Artificial intelligence systems and tools significantly simplify human tasks by leveraging advanced technologies. AI covers a wide range of technologies like machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing. Despite the numerous potential of AI systems to boost productivity and innovation across different areas, its implementation is subject to various regulations and considerations across several regions. Building AI systems entails extensive research, the formulation of mathematical models, and development of sophisticated language processing capabilities. Fortunately, individuals who lack the resources to construct independent AI systems can still benefit from companies that provide AI services through APIs and other means to perform their tasks effectively and efficiently. The advancement of computer technology once felt like the pinnacle of innovation and creativity. However, in today's world, the remarkable capabilities of smartphones have nearly matched those of traditional computers. In my opinion, AI is not going to replace humans. It's just going to make it's going to help humans to get their tasks done more easily, because what I feel is AI systems are developed by the level of intelligence humans have attained to. So the more innovations and the more stuff AI is able to come up with, it will actually create room for humans to go to explore different realms of knowledge that have not been explored, to go in depth of knowledge. When we had things like 2G network, 3G network, people felt like, wow, this is very fast. And then today we're talking about 5G, 6G network. And then there were times where people have to travel by cars, and then they spend hours or days on the way trying to get to another region. But then right now there are aircraft systems. But with the aircraft systems that we have, and people have to travel for just 1 hour meetings, and then just to attend a conference for 3 hours. And then just to help minimize cost and all of that, the risk of moving from one location to another over 6 to 7, 8 hours just for a 1 hour event. The virtual meetings now occur where we use tools to perform virtual meetings. And then even when virtual meetings came up, there was still need for innovation like augmented reality, where people can actually have a feel of an environment just by wearing technological tools, or by using technological tools that are enabled to have a feel of an environment. So you could just put on those tools and then it feels like you're in a particular environment. And then we begin to talk about the fact that In this environment, people can own lands, people can build houses, people can market, can do trades and all of that. I feel for every innovation and creativity that happens and whatever research or whatever that comes out from computing and mathematical research, it's just a layer for more research. So when technology came out, people were like, wow, this is the height of it. And right now we have AI. So but with the super intelligent AI and the actual intelligent AI, it's likely to be that will bet another realm of innovation. It will actually introduce humans to explore new innovations and creativity. All right, that being said, I hope that was quite simple enough for you to understand. If you want to learn further, I will leave the article in the description. You can check out the resources I recommended in the article for you to be able to learn further. But I intend to keep this simple. Let me know what you think about AI and how you've been able to apply it, or how you've been able to take advantage of the opportunities in AI, or probably you are trying to build a career in AI. Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like the video, click the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell so that when I have my next video uploaded, you'll be notified. Bye.